I'm not gonna lie guys, I was gonna do a video today, but I got rear-ended. Don't worry, she's all well aware. Again, I was just gonna do a video, but I decided not to because I don't have everything that I need. On my way to go get a part for this thing, I decided, hey, I'll go take it out for a cruise. I got rear-ended. Here's the rear end. Literally no damage whatsoever. So I was driving, it was a red light. The guy behind me was not paying attention and he rear-ended me. We were going about 10 miles an hour each. I'm not gonna lie, it did hurt my shoulders and my back a little bit when I did get rear-ended. I jumped out. First thing I said was, are you okay? He had a daughter in the back of the car. So then I made sure to go underneath the car and look. I was pulling on everything, I was pushing on everything, and make sure the gas tank, because if you can see on these Mustangs, the gas tank is literally right here with the clamp. As you can see, there's nothing. Even the little styrofoam here that like protects the bumper from hitting into the metal, that's not even cracked. I'm pretty sure the guy had more damage on his car than what he did to mine. At first when I got hit, I was like, oh my God, the bumper's pushed in, the tailgate is pushed in and it won't close. I even made sure to open it and closed it and make sure that it closed and made sure that the little clip that it slides into was straight. That was straight. I was honestly surprised. He had more damage than I did, like I said. He had a bent license plate and his bumper had a big crack on it. I'm telling you, these cars were made to last. As you can see, I did some engine modifications. This is the tune-up that I did a while ago. I don't know if the guys have ever showed you guys, but MSD cap and rotor, MSD ignition coil, and wires as well. But the wires are Ford Racing. That's a cold air intake. I was gonna do a coolant change. That's gonna be the next video on the channel, is a coolant change, because I did a coolant change on my truck, and I wanted to make sure I knew what I was doing before I did it on the Mustang. But as you can see, she's looking pretty spiffy. I absolutely love this car more than anything, dude, I'm not gonna lie. And then of course, the last few videos of me painting my brake calipers, I still gotta do the front. I just haven't had time, but like the wheels are in like pristine condition. Don't worry about the crack right there. You can pretty much barely see it in the sun. But like, whew. I need a new top eventually. That's at least my worries. I thought I'd guys give you a nice little update on what's going on. And I honestly, I swear to God, I actually did get rear-ended. I don't know how they didn't leave a mark or anything. This actually might be the mark here. No, it's been there. Yeah, it's like I'm saying. I don't know. I really have no clue. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know it's been like I post video every 3 weeks, but again, I'm just very busy. I still work full time and all that stuff, and it's just a hassle. If you made it this far, just like, comment, subscribe, because again, I barely make anything off YouTube. And honestly, the more likes, the more subscribes, the more like revenue I can make and put into this thing, and the more content I can put out for you guys. Again, all the money goes to the channel. This is where this car came from, it's from the channel. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the best purchases I probably made. Besides the house is coming soon, don't worry. All right guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I know I'm rambling at this point. This pretty much is an update video, like I said. But all right guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.